Hey everyone, welcome to Japan. I'm at the Okawa Woodworking Museum and it is beautiful inside, Japanese craftsmen at its very best. Come on inside. Look at this place, wow. So Okawa is a city south of Fukuoka, Japan on the island of Kyushu, and it's known for their woodworkers and their craftsmanship. Now we often talk about monozukuri, which is that pride of craftsmanship, part of the Japanese culture, but takumi is actually the ability to do fine level and high level craftsmanship. And so this is a great example of takumi, and it's just beautiful. Look at this lampshade, man, out of different veneers and woods and leaves embedded. Just over the top spectacular. So this museum was absolutely beautiful. So it was a lucky day for me. It was the day before the start of the Japan study mission, and I wandered down to this area because I heard it was just a spectacular area where a lot of great craftsmanship was done. The museum was open, there was no one in there, so I just got to wander around and film everything, and they were obviously very gracious towards me, and it was just an amazing experience. Now, one of the things I wasn't aware of was the Japanese are really into making these pictorial artwork out of small pieces of wood. Now, when I first saw it, I thought to myself, gee, they're going to do all this with laser, but no, each individual piece is done by hand, and they create these masterful pictorial pictures, which you're going to see coming up here. Look at these slices of wood that they're just absolutely done through, and then they're filled with a black resin to make the completion of the piece. They just use every little piece. They make these stacked sculptures, which are just absolutely fantastic as well. So I've been really admiring Japanese woodworking for a long time because, of course, I'm a woodworker myself and a craftsman. I built all the furniture in my home, and I really appreciate the skill that it takes to do this kind of work. In addition, the design is awesome as well. Now, these are slabs, if you will, or planks of all the different species of woods that are used throughout the museum, which I thought was a great little pictorial. Now, this is that pictorial pictures that they use, and this is made out of over 100,000 pieces of wood. Not done with the laser, each individually piece placed in there to create Mount Fuji. Isn't that incredible? Wow. And then these are laminated. This is a laminated table in a circle, just like the tree trunk of a tree, but only it's all done by hand. Just incredible. And look at this hinge, how perfectly it closes, how precisely everything works. Japanese craftsmanship. It's really over the top. Very interesting planters they made here that I thought were really, really cool. And then the tops lift off and you can water them, and the plants look like they're coming right out of the credenza here. So it's very, very cool. They've done a fabulous job on the design and artistic side of the way they use wood, and it makes it speak to you. Now, they've got a 7-star train down in Kyushu, Japan. You can ride for $1,000 a day, and you can be enveloped in this woodworking and this incredibly high level of craftsmanship. I went into one of the furniture stores just down the street. They had this beautiful table that was designed to cross your legs onto, and these are all the tools from the craftsmen who built it. And then right down the street is this beautiful Buddhist temple that just blew me away. And then another wood shop that I went into, and this one's actually up in Nagoya area, in an area that's very famous for woodworking. And I've just taken so many pictures over the years when I've been in Japan of all the spectacular woodworking that I've seen inside restaurants, going inside cabinet shops, and visiting all the skilled craftsmen that knew the art of takumi, the ability, the skill to be able to do this high level work. These are a couple homes that I was inside of, and then another cabinet shop with the tools. This particular place actually made a bunch of beautiful tables and all this inlay work. There you go, Japanese woodworking. You gotta love it.